Hello, my name is Professor Minna Lantz, and today's talk is about our project Sustainable Industry Ecosystem, Collaboration Framework for Digital and Green Technologies. This project has received funding from the Academy of Finland and will run during the years 2021 and 2022. The objectives of our project is to support the green and sustainable digital transformation of Finnish manufacturing SMEs, industry and academia by facilitating the collaboration and coordination between the stakeholders, meaning that the different regional, national and international smart specialization strategies and those who actively develop these strategies. We plan to build a competence base for collaboration and technology adoption. Our aim is to integrate digital platforms and digital innovation hubs and enrich the previous research results in the domain of Industry 4.0 and innovative green and digital technologies and applications. In order to make our research results concrete in this particular project, we are going to build a network of pilot lines with the transparent and common access policies, then tool sets how to use these novel technologies. Within these pilot lines, we can offer the testing and training facilities for our stakeholders and of course do the scientific research. Our greatest aim is to engage the Finnish research, development and innovation community in a manner of cross-sectorial, cross-technology and cross-border. And with this, we aim to achieve new research results, publications, innovation activities, and increase the international collaboration with our partners. Within the beginning of the project, we have formalized the hypothesis as a baseline. As we know, we have a lot of facilities within the universities and research organizations. We can test and develop the technologies and of course offer the education related on these technology and scientific fields. As you can see from this picture, that the large enterprises, they are benefiting from our facilities, our academic research and teaching. Most of the companies who we collaborate are rather happy and satisfied with the research and education services we provide. However, the SMEs, in particular the manufacturing and energy sector, they are not connected to our teaching or our facilities. However, they are the major part of offering employment in Finnish landscape. And they are the ones who need most of the support in order to adopt new technologies and ways of working. And this forms our baseline within the SIE project, that we particularly want to connect the SMEs into the facilities and tools and also to the academic research. It is not a small job to do. The work in SIE project is orchestrated on 5 work packages. Currently, the work package 1 is about the community building and continuous and sustainability plans, how to run the community and benefit from the results achieved from the SIE project after this project ends. The second work package focuses on competence building and competence and skills gap analysis. We know that there are emerging technologies coming, and for that we need to build new education modules that support the lifelong learning. On the work package 3, we have international collaboration and activities with our European projects in particular. Work package 4 is the most concrete work package in the SIE project. In this, we are going to build the network of pilot lines, develop the common access policies, and descriptions on what and how the companies, academic players, and other key stakeholders could better use our facilities. And the work package 5 is for the communication and dissemination activities. One of the main objectives in the SIE project is to network the piloting environments. A pilot line is a pre-commercial test before invest production or prototyping environment with physical or virtual representation that enables learning through experimentation in new product, service, and business development. On the videos you can see snapshots of our environments. Thank you for watching this short video, and please check our website for further information about the project.